This is GTV. Fun for kids of all ages. Every year on May 5th, the people of Japan celebrate a holiday that honors young boys across the country and is known as Kodomo no Hi, which means Children's Day in English, and in some cases is referred to as Boys' Day. It is the companion holiday to Girls' Day, which is celebrated on March 3rd, that honors young girls. Though the emphasis is on boys, Kodomo no Hi can be celebrated by all children. It is the final day in a series of holidays known as Golden Week, which begins with Showa Day on April 29th and continues with Constitution Day and Greenery Day, leading up to Boys' Day on May 5th. The history of Boys' Day goes back to the Heian period, over 1,000 years ago, when the holiday was called Tango no Seku, meaning double fifth, and was set on the fifth day of the fifth month of the ancient Chinese lunar calendar. Traditionally, it marked the start of the rainy season in Asia. The people of the Heian period borrowed some traditions from the Chinese Dragon Boat Festival held on the same day, but elements of Japanese culture were included. The legend of Kintaro was adopted as a model image for young boys to look up to and become. Kintaro was a young boy who was immensely strong from birth, who battled and defeated monsters and demons, and could tame wild animals, including giant carp. Kintaro would grow up to become a samurai, and was one of the four guardians of the legendary master, Raiko. Families raised flags above their homes of carp fish, called koi in Japanese. Carp were chosen because of the legend of Kintaro, but also because of an ancient legend, where a carp that can swim up a waterfall will transform into a dragon. Flags, called koinobori, represent the members of the family living in that house. The top flag is black for the father who leads the family, followed by a red one for the mother. A blue fish comes next for the firstborn son of the family, with other flags for younger siblings following. Families present their young boys with the gift of a replica samurai helmet called kabuto. It is meant to symbolize the family's wish for their son to grow up healthy and to become a strong and powerful man someday, just like Kintaro. In 1948, the government of Japan set the holiday to the Western calendar date on May 5th and officially changed the name from Tango no Seku to Kodomo no Hi as a holiday for all children, which allowed them to show gratitude towards mothers for giving them the gift of life. It's a wonderful holiday and tradition that celebrates the importance of sons in a household and shows the importance of young boys growing up into men. And it gives those boys the opportunity to show appreciation to their families in return. So the next time you see a koinobori, kabuto, or kintaro, you can understand the special meanings behind these important Japanese cultural symbols and the day dedicated to them.